Hey there, Disney lovers. We all know that Disney is the ultimate magic kingdom, but have you ever considered taking that magic to the sea? That's right, Disney offers cruises that are just as enchanting as their parks. So, how can you make the most of your Disney cruise experience? 1. Plan your itinerary. Before your Disney cruise, carefully review the itinerary and plan your activities and excursions in advance. Make a list of must-see shows, character meet and greets, and onboard activities to ensure you don't miss out on anything. 2. Utilize the Disney Cruise Line Navigator app. Download the Disney Cruise Line Navigator app before your trip. It provides daily schedules, deck plans, dining options, character appearance times, and more. It's a handy tool to have on your smartphone to keep track of everything happening on the ship. 3. Participate in onboard activities. Disney Cruise Line offers a wide range of activities for guests of all ages. Take advantage of the pool decks, water slides, sports courts, and fitness centers. Attend themed parties, trivia games, cooking demonstrations, and live performances to make the most of your cruise experience. 4. Enjoy the dining options. Disney Cruise Line offers rotational dining, where you rotate through different themed restaurants each night. Take the opportunity to try out various cuisines and experience the unique ambiance of each venue. Additionally, make sure to book reservations for specialty dining experiences if available. 5. Take advantage of the kids clubs. If you're traveling with children, Disney Cruise Line has excellent kids clubs tailored to different age groups. These clubs offer supervised activities, character interactions, games, and entertainment. Allow your kids to participate while you enjoy some adult time on the ship. 6. Meet Disney characters. Meeting Disney characters is a highlight of any Disney cruise. Keep an eye on the Navigator app for character appearance times and locations. Arrive early to beat the lines and capture memorable photos with your favorite characters. 7. Attend live shows and entertainment. Disney Cruise Line offers Broadway-style shows, deck parties, fireworks at sea, and live musical performances. Check the schedule and plan to attend as many shows as possible. These performances are often top-notch and offer incredible entertainment for the whole family. 8. Explore ports of call. Make the most of your port stops by researching ahead of time. Find out about popular attractions, historical sites, local cuisine, and cultural experiences. Consider booking shore excursions through Disney Cruise Line or explore independently to immerse yourself in the local culture. 9. Relax and rejuvenate. While there are plenty of activities on board, don't forget to take time to relax. Disney Cruise Line offers spa services, adult-exclusive areas, and quiet lounges where you can unwind. Take advantage of these amenities to recharge and enjoy some peaceful moments during your cruise. 10. Capture the memories. Disney Cruise Line provides professional photographers who capture magical moments throughout your trip. Take advantage of photo opportunities with characters, at iconic locations, and during special events. Consider purchasing a photo package to preserve your memories. Remember, the key to getting the most out of your Disney cruise experience is to plan ahead, be flexible, and immerse yourself in the magic of Disney. Enjoy every moment and create lifelong memories with your loved ones.
Be strong.